So what you're about to see is an exclusive look behind the scenes of the launch event for the brand new Ford Mustang Mach. I'm here with a bunch of guys. Everyone's in the edit. Let me see everyone say hi. Hi guys. Hi. Nikki, Andrew, Sophia's there doing Instagrammings. Right. I'm just filming you guys without telling you. So yeah, we literally just got 45 minutes or so with the vehicles before the launch. So we've got Bill Ford coming down, there's going to be Idris Elba's here. We've just been told that we're not allowed to film stuff in a few minutes because there's other celebrities walking around. But what you're about to see is the behind the scenes of the launch. We're going to drop this video literally minutes after the embargo drops. So you will be able to see the actual vehicles that are going to be there, right? The start of this electric vehicle charge that Ford is finally getting involved in, which is really nice. So you're probably here because you want to see the Mach-E. You're going to see two versions of the vehicle. You're going to see the GT and the first edition. So without further ado, here is what the last kind of 45 minutes has been like for us, condensed down. Because actually when it came down to it, we only got a few minutes with each car each. But anyway, let's get to it. So it's Marcus Bronzy here from How to Kill an Hour, and right now we are in a hangar in LA for the Ford Mustang Mach-E launch. It's their first venture into a full EV vehicle with the Mustang name fully involved in it. So people weren't sure what to expect. There's been leaks online, but I'm about to show you the two actual launch vehicles. I'm about to show you the two vehicles that are going to be announced. So we're really privileged. There's a few other influencers around us, some camera people, other presenters like me as well that are here talking about it. So you'll see other people chatting about it. But let's go. First things first. Got the horse up in here, big horse up in here. They've got band over there. They've got loads of stuff going on, big audio visual stuff going on. But I suppose what you want to see is the car. Hey man, there's my man Nico from Germany. He's been teaching me some cool German stuff. I love the way that Nico says Mach-E as well. Mach-E, that's how we say it. So this is the first edition. So this version of the vehicle is going to be available to a limited number of people. By the way, look, push button, there we go. Also, it's aware of you when you're walking up to it in the mornings. It's the first edition detail there as well. It's obviously got a leather interior. Let's see what we can show you here. And this is the HMI, the heads-up display they've got here. Well, not heads-up, the info display that they've got here. And they've taken all the information that you might have in different places in the car, and they've just tried to put it all here on a menu where you don't have to delve through loads of menus. You just literally can just find stuff real quick. I'm just gonna hop into the driver's seat real quick. Here's Andrew as well. Yeah, we're gonna open up that front. I think you've got to push the button twice to open the front. Right, okay. We all good? Are we opening up the front? Thank you very much. All right, we'll get to the frunk in a little bit because it's a little bit it's gonna get frunky in here. I'm just gonna hop in there. So here we go. So yeah, this is what you see. The Whisper is one of the driving modes. Let's see if I can set the driving modes. Nah, whatever. There we go. 15.5 inch display. Gives you everything that you need to know about the vehicle. Also, it's got two. I don't know if you can see that. Actually got two trays here, so you can put I've put a Pixel 4 on one side, which is a big phone, or an iPhone, or a plus size one, and a regular iPhone. It's got USB and USB-C as well. It's got cordless Apple Play. First edition's got the Bang & Olufsen kit. You know Ford are pretty cool with Bang & Olufsen, so they are good speakers when you get the upgrade. I am just chatting now because I'm so excited because we're really not meant to be in it. Oh, what else we got? We got the roof, panoramic. See, that stretches right over the top of the vehicle. In terms of the back, you've got another USB-C gang. Some more Bang & Olufsen speakers. Let's see, here we go, Bang & Olufsen speakers here. Let's get right here. Now here we go, the classic Mustang tail lights. So if you've seen a Mustang before, you'll recognize these tail lights. Beautiful, beautiful. Right. So the frunk. So this is where it gets cool. So it's not got a conventional engine in it. So what you've got here with the frunk is drainage, waterproof, and somewhat insulating. So you can put your bags in there, but you can also put a bucket of ice in there, put a few beverages in there, bust it open in the park, frunk open, get a cold brewski. I like it. And go. I don't know if I'm supposed to close that now. Right, I've literally got a few minutes till I'll let you do that. Literally got a few minutes before we got to get out of here. We're about to be summoned. Right, so this is the GT version. Shout out to my man like Nico again. And what he just popped open. It's all cool, man, it's all good. And this is he just popped open the battery pack as well, so you can actually see, I'll zoom in there, you can actually see there on the right, just there, you can actually see that. It'll give you a quick indication of where the charge is, your charging ports. And inside, pretty much same with regards to the HMI display, but got your sports seats in here, got a lot of GT logos, and apparently this can really kick it. We're talking about sub 5 second 0 to 60s. For the rims. Sorry, man. And there we have it. So by the time this video's out, the cars, there we go. Dress rehearsal, we've got to get out of here. There we go. Horses. We need to clear the room. So there you go. That was it. Quick look at the vehicles. And yeah, man. Let's hope that they deliver what they promise. We've had a ride in them. There's other content that we've got up on our channels as well, where you can kind of see exactly what has been going on with regards to what the stats are of the vehicle, the range and stuff. I try to explain as much as possible in the video, but there's a link in the description below where you can get all of the stats. I'm pooped. We're about to go to the actual launch now. So yeah, I'll come at you with some more details soon. It's been How to Kill an Hour, and I'm Marcus Brunzi. Bless.
Yo, buddy.